Meet the KeyGrip 2-stage combo folder roller. Precision built for professionals who need power, flexibility, and rock-solid support on any set. It's perfect for positioning large fixtures low and stable, or supporting slider rigs and heavy accessories with confidence. Its wide-diameter steel risers, heavy-duty aluminum construction, and thick all-metal castings are engineered to carry loads up to 55 pounds and stay rigid even at maximum capacity. The combo head gives you unmatched versatility, a spring-loaded retractable baby pin for one-handed prep, plus a junior receiver with a teardrop lock that locks into the apex for wobble-free mounting. Large locking casters glide smoothly across most surfaces, including thick carpeting, with foot-operated locks that make securing the stand quick and easy. KeyGrip's signature ergonomic knobs give you all the torque you need without stressing your hands. For uneven surfaces, the built-in leveling cam lets you fine-tune the riser angle so you can rig stands perfectly vertical. And when the day is over, the folding legs reduce the footprint for effortless storage and transport. Durable, precise, built to last a generation. The KeyGrip Combo Folder Roller Stand, where mobility meets uncompromising stability.